Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at how we can take a chart from Excel and not just paste it to PowerPoint, but do a paste link so that if we make any changes in Excel, those changes are reflected in our PowerPoint application. So I've kind of gotten a start here. I've got a 3D pie chart that I want to show up in my PowerPoint application. So I've just resized the two windows so you can see them both. So I'm going to click on the chart object itself, and you can right click and choose copy. And then when you come over to PowerPoint, you'll want to hit the drop arrow that's part of the paste icon and choose paste special. This is the key component, paste special, so that you have the option to choose paste link. And once you go to paste link, you'll just see one option there. You're pasting something as a Microsoft Excel chart object and click OK. And so then you can see that the chart is now in your PowerPoint. And if you make some changes, so if I come back to my Excel application, let's say I change, let me save my PowerPoint too. I'm going to save that. So let's say I change the number of strawberries from 49 to 200. So now strawberries is the largest slice of the pie. And we can see that that's reflected right here in PowerPoint. If I make another change, let's say I want to emphasize kiwi. So I'm going to click on the pie chart. I'll do a second click so just the kiwi slice is selected and drag it out. I meant to do that with kiwi, not mango. There we go. And I'll drag the kiwi slice out. And so this is what's called an exploded pie. And so I don't see that effect happen right away in my PowerPoint. So if you've got a change that you don't see taking place right away, you can come to your PowerPoint window, right click on the chart and choose update link. Pardon me. And when you choose update link, you will then see it reflected in the PowerPoint as well. If I do a more significant change, let's say I go to my chart design tab in Excel, and I'm going to change this into here. I got a message about it being a 3D chart. That's fine. I'm going to say change chart. I'm going to convert this to a column chart, and I'll choose OK. And so now it's a column chart here, and it's also a column chart here. And again, if we made a change to one of the data points, then we see that happen real time inside the spreadsheet. And then for kicks and giggles, I'll click back on the chart, go back to chart design, and change the chart type once again. This time maybe I'll convert it to, say, a line style chart, and click OK. And there we go. So this is the pasting and paste linking, to be specific. Paste link an Excel chart into PowerPoint. I hope you found it useful. Please check back soon for another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.